some different little drawings, a different scene. And seeing that scene, yes, Naomi has given me the clue. Yeah, story based on what's going in the image. Either you can have what's happening, or you can think of what can happen, or after that, what happened. Oh, sorry, before what happened. So whichever way your imagination go, if anybody wants to come on mic, you can talk about the story. You can unmute your mic and talk. You can write down. You can draw in your paper, drawing book, floor, wherever you want. Hi, Anna.
What do we have to do?
You have to make your own story.
Pigs are playing for us.
And if somebody wants to come on mic and tell a story, you can come on mic. Or maybe just some part of the story if you want to make, others can then add to the story. Okay, so let's do that. One of you come on mic and start the story, then others will join.
Arham is saying the 5 pigs are playing in Hong Kong.
In Hong Kong, okay. Let's continue the story. Somebody wants to say what happened to these 5 pigs who are playing in the Hong Kong.
I think they just found a treasure, so they are partying and just being very happy.
Okay, they found the treasure and they're partying. Who wants to now continue the story?
Me.
Yes.
They are now reading
Wait. Somebody is speaking. We can't hear. Yeah, go ahead.
Hong Kong to celebrate baby pig's birthday.
Okay, birthday is happening in Hong Kong and the treasure is there. Okay, who else wants to add to the story? Yes, go ahead.
Then they will start reading Corona news. COVID-19.
Reading, and there is something there already in Chinese script written out there. Some script is written, so they are reading from there. Okay, who wants to take this forward?
And then later they go and get the treasure.
Skanda is saying reduce the volume of the music. Is it still too high, Skanda? I just... Whosoever is speaking, maybe have to come little closer to the mic. We are not able to understand, or rather listen. Om is saying celebrating a party with a treasure. Yeah, who wants to take it forward? Let's give it फिर ट्रेजर की बात क्या हुआ? They did party, उसके बाद क्या हुआ?
मुझे लग रहा है कि वो चाइना का है।
अच्छा, आपको लग रहा है वो चाइना से है? पता नहीं कहाँ से, कहीं से तो है, हाँ, कहीं से है।
Suddenly it started raining flowers.
Suddenly started
Raining flowers.
raining flowers. Oh, there are some sparkles. Yes, you can see in the picture something is raining, and for you it's flowers. Beautiful, yes, and lots of lights and music. So raining flowers in the night with lots of lights and music. Yes, somebody else wants to join or whatever, add to what's happening.
Then they feel bored, so they decide to play tag story with each other.
Pardon?
And they feel bored, so they decide to play tag story with each other, like how we are playing.
They are making a story. Okay, Shlok is saying they're dancing around because they found treasure. Yes, when you find treasure, you dance around.
They went to Hong Kong.
They went to Hong Kong. Yes, they are still in Hong Kong, but somebody took them to China. Let's take them somewhere else. Maybe they are above the sky, they are below the sky, they are
And
somewhere.
then they also went into a forest by mistake. And when they went into the forest, there was so much gold that they took it and went to party.
Again, they are back to the party after the forest. Okay, what else? What is this one person doing sitting next to the uh, kind
and
of
they
a
bought ice cream.
where ice cream? Maybe that's where they are licking. The one pig is licking. Maybe they finished ice cream. And what is that one pig doing on the rocks doing?
He is shouting with the excitement.
Mm.
Dancing.
After that, they went to Disneyland after the party.
She's playing. He or she
Playing
is
or
playing.
maybe doing Odissi dance or Bharatnatyam dance, or somebody's singing, somebody's training the dog out there, somebody's drawing, somebody's doing science.
he's about to fall.
Yes,
Ah.
They also went to Disneyland and got some toys from there.
Somebody is doing meditation, somebody is listening to the music, somebody is doing gardening down there. I can see some green leaves there, and Om is thinking they are in Japan, but maybe they are in Arohi X. In opening circle, trying to make their own story together, what all they like doing. How about that? Shall we bring them to Arohi?
yes.
And middle of the day, they are doing their opening circle. Yes, Om, I've switched off the music now. So we'll move ahead with our next thing. Okay, so each one of you have different interests. Like these 4 piggies are in different places. They are having different expression. Maybe they are doing something different. So what we will do now is that let's fill up our chat window with the different interest. Share something which you would like to do this week. Some of you have put a long list, very beautiful, detailed list. Some of you have put some list in Slack. What are the different interests? This week, what are you planning to do?
Please write all my interests.
Yes, put it in chat window.
I will tell all my interests. Can you help me with the spelling?
You can write your own spelling. It's okay. You're just expressing. So we just want to collect what all different things people are interested this week. Gardening, reading, maths. Yes, look, let's come back from party to the planning party in opening circle. Football, seeing stars with telescope. Yes, do share which planets are you, or whatever, what stars do you spot. Do share on Slack what's happening. And Yusra is going ahead with her painting. Arhat Pan, I didn't understand. Maybe Arhat, you can write it again. Mishti is doing reading, keyboard, and studies. Mishti, you want a little more write what in studies, like you did your respiratory system. You made a video and showed us. Now we also know a little bit about it, what you learned. Shristi is still, are you in the stories still? Interesting. So Shristi, are you planning to go ahead with writing the stories? Okay, can you post this story on Slack so we can preserve it, document it, read it? Because in chat window we can't read it. So it would be nice, Rishti, if you post it in Slack.
I am also writing a story.
Yes. So then add it up. Add it up in Slack, add it up in chat window. And Nalini is doing reading,
Yes.
music, cooking, football, baking. Baking, yes. Yesterday, somebody, yeah, Savri also did baking. Her baking failed. Maybe she can connect with you. Misty is doing maths, English, EVS. Misty, maybe the topics, because the subject's name doesn't gives us anything. Drawing. Shonu, can you write little more in detail what in drawing? Say, Miss Smriti, what is that in drawing you're doing? Are you learning a skill? Are you painting something? Are you drawing some animals, buildings? Wait. The chat is going little too fast for me. Yes. Nidhi is doing main course. Yes. What, Nidhi, what is in main course for you? Is it chapati or rice or idli? What is that? Achalesh is playing a games writing. Achalesh, can you either come on mic and talk a little more about the game? Margaret is working on violin, math, science, coding. Yeah. Margaret, what in maths, what in science are you planning to do? Anika is doing reading about space, body parts. Yay! Cycling and cooking. Shlok is learning piano. Shlok, would you like to share? And somebody else also said piano. What in piano are you learning, a specific song or notes? What is that? You're working on Lego. What do you want to make in Lego? Yeah, little more. Yeah, you have put up one word. Some of you, like Karuna, is putting music, swimming. Oh, Yusra is have gone into the future. Okay, Achalesh is working on chemistry. In chemistry, Achalesh, what are you exploring? Are you mixing the salts or are you reading about it? What an
Hello,
electrical?
Auntie.
Yes.
So in chemistry, I'm currently exploring new things, and I have some book. I'm writing that,
Mm-hmm.
and game creating any kind of game, like a card game,
Mm.
a board game, any kind of game creating, and exploring a video game, learning the video game.
Okay, interesting. Yes, quite a lot to do for the week. Yes, Anna is animals watching Dodo and documentary. Does anybody else also watches Dodo and documentaries? You can connect with Anna. Nidhi is trying Kerala dishes called Ulithial. Oh, this I've never heard this word. Good. You share your experience and people who have eaten, how are they giving you the feedback? Naomi is singing songs. Explore more of physics. Yeah, Nidhi. Maybe you can talk a little more about what in physics. Bhasen is saying forgotten interest in swimming and cycling. Yeah, some of you are doing biology. Nidhi is doing biology. What in biology? Om is doing scratch programming. Achlesh, are you also in scratch programming? When you said I'm making any game, maybe you can connect or Om can connect with you. Skanda is planning to record the song and you have written a new software. Yeah, that's quite detailed thought process.
The forgotten interest and the future interest.
Planning to do. And Shlok is going to build plane in Lego. Trisha, dog anatomy. Yay, yes, you're interested in becoming a vet. You want to know the dog anatomy. Skanda is doing dog training. Maybe you can both connect with each other and explore dogism. Margaret is reorganizing your room. Click photos before the organizing and after the organizing, and share before and after on Slack with us. Okay, Nitya is fishing up 4,000 word story. So Nitya, I've given you the picture you can start from here. And fitness, home organizing. Okay, you want little different purchase. That's quite beautiful way of looking at it, or rather different way of looking at it, that all of us in our homes with this lockdown need our own purchase. Yeah, purge. Yes, that's interesting. Shlok is Ode of Joy in Piano. I think this is it something to do with Beethoven or something? Is that what, Shlok? Some of you started writing forgotten interests. Nice. Yeah, you can go ahead. What are your forgotten interests which you have not? Parinita. Which movie song, Parinita, now these days you are liking? You can share that. And nice to see that you're continuing gymnastic practice, vocal, cycling. Help my mother. Gardening. In gardening, maybe what 3-4 of you have written gardening. Ratnesh has renamed himself as gardening. Maybe someone can, you guys can connect and say, are you growing the same thing or different thing, different items, different ideas, different ways?
Aditi,
Yusra is not liking the lockdown, and Avni wants to say something. Yes, Avni, go ahead.
I can teach how to make donuts, chocolates, and I can also, if there is no lockdown, I can also give the chocolates or donuts, whatever. Yeah.
Yes, you can also put up a stall outside your house. Today I saw in Slack a child putting up a lemonade stall. Kevansh, Jinal's son, putting up a lemonade stall with a mask. I don't know how much is allowed in your area. You can explore that.
If
Yes,
anyone wants to join, can join.
yes, Avni, that's the next. How did you read my next slide already? You are a magician. Maybe you took part in Friday Multiplex. Some of you are magician. You've seen my next slide, but I think right now, what will be your future interest? Let's put up that. Maybe you have not thought about it. Maybe you would like to think about it. Future interest. Maybe future is an hour after this session, tomorrow, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, one lifetime. What would be your future interest? Imagine and feel it and write it, or come on mic and talk about it. Shlok's forgotten is drawing. Smriti's is baking and swimming. Yeah, you can remember it again and go back to this. Aha, Smriti wants to be the animal saver. Smriti, have you been saving any frogs or lizards or birds around your house already? Krishang is writing Pac-Man. I don't know what is Pac-Man. Maybe somebody else who knows can talk about it. Parinita, what's special paper? Is it that you're making a paper, or Drupad, is this your future interest? Making a football about your foot? Oh, sorry, making a football. No, making a video about your football life. Yes, go ahead. Yes, go ahead.
I have made a bird bath, basically not a bird bath, but a pot where birds can drink.
And okay, animal saver. Okay.
I have been working on it.
You have already started. And how come yours and Pari's voice is sounding same? Maybe you have been talking to each other a lot, or you are missing each other. Shrishti is going ahead with the story.
Hey, don't tell me that I am not missing Pari and all.
Yes. Drupad says future interested in making video. Mishti would like to become magician, reader, and educator. Future wildlife photography. Yes, Shlok, you can go outside right now. The wildlife outside on the road. And Adve has a long list of future interest. Parul wants to play Janganman on keyboard and drama. Parul, do you want to talk a little more
interest.
This
week interest. Not
what?
Future interest.
Oh, that's not future. Oh my! Are you going to do so many things?
Yes.
Let It Lie. Is this a song from the movie which you saw? That animation movie?
Yes.
So you're still on that song, and you're also writing some script also, no, of that movie. You want to, maybe you can share a little more about it in Slack. Yusra wants to take pictures. Maybe you can take pictures of what Smriti is saving. How about that, Smriti? You have a photographer with you who can. And Skanda wants to create a home studio. It's an interest, or it's also a dream. Interesting. Some of you are adding your dreams and interests together. That would be interesting. Nidhi wants to learn gymnastics skill and cartwheel with no hands. Yeah, you can connect with Pari. And
I don't know how to do cartwheel without hands.
Oh, okay.
Aerial.
So then both of you together can learn.
Break your hand literally. If you do that.
We'll break our head if we go into a cartwheel with no hands.
Yeah. Okay, Arath likes music and okay, Trisha wants to dance in front of the crowd. Okay, Trisha, how about doing a dance in Friday multiplex? Or I think one more child said, I want to do a show. You can do that. Okay, so. Naomi wants to do stand-up comedy. Yeah, Naomi, we have some more who likes the jokes around here in Arohi. You can connect with them and then you can laugh together, create the comedy together. Anika is saying mic is not working. No issue. You can type it down. Hi, Pavel. Krishiv is saying his future to make a YouTube channel. That's interesting. And when are you planning this future thingy to start now? Okay, so now that we have we have shared our dreams of future, we have shared what we are doing, planning to do now. One thing which we will do now is now these days all of us are in different places. Like in this story, these two pigs are in different areas. Maybe you can see a wall in between. If you can't see, you can imagine a wall in between. All of us are in our homes, not able to go meet people, but then there is something which we can definitely do is that we can connect with each other. Yeah. Connection makes our spirits high. Connection makes our connection high. What do you say? What do you say about connection? That when you're connecting, sharing, learning, with each other, talking. Yes, Advay is talking about Zoom, talking, or collaborating, learning together. It brings a different flavor in your life. If you have not done, do this week. If you have been doing, continue doing this. Yeah, Shlok. Right now, Divya, yes, there are the options available. Zoom, phone, virtual. Very few of us are able to go to each other's house depending on the situation of the place. But I think definitely we can have fun together with whatever constraint are there with us and we can connect with each other. So what we will do is I'll ask Ratnesh to open the whiteboard. Ratnesh, you are co-host already. Anika has raised a hand. Anika, either you can come on mic or you can type it in your chat window. Arath is still sharing about what you want to do in keyboard. Yes, Divya is talking about Google Meet and Skype. Yeah. So see how is that you would like to connect with each other. Connect with each other through your interest. Maybe somebody wants to share a songs. Two of you want to come together and talk about animals, or you want to
1 second. I think
somebody is doing annotation on the screen. Please don't do it. Please don't do it.
No, I think that they started screen sharing.
Yes, screen sharing started. Ratnesh has
No, the annotations are off, then nobody can do annotations, right?
I did it, switched off, but then again it started.
Okay.
Yeah, I disabled it.
Yeah, it's disabled.
Yes, I did it. Okay, now what you need to do is you need to fill up and tell Ratnesh. Ratnesh will type for you. What are the different things where you think you can do together? Together, not physically sitting together. Maybe it's not possible. But together, maybe on phone, on Slack, on Zoom, on Google Meet, on Skype. Somebody said Skype, games in Zoom. Yeah, what is that you can or would like to?
You can
Actually,
talk
she's
with
saying
each other.
yes, talk with each other. Yes. So you need to tell your name also because Ratnesh is writing the name also. Ratnesh, not only games, I think he's saying chess.
I'm Monica.
Yeah,
I want to
Monica.
sing. I want to sing together.
Together. Yeah. Somebody wants to sing with Monica
Mishti.
together. Oh, and then you
Learning
can.
together.
Mishti, I'm talking.
Yes, Ratne. Oh, you ask. You ask. Yeah.
I
Ratnesh
want
is
to
giving
learn
some
together.
idea, so I'm asking him to ask you directly.
We can talk.
So, Monica, what is that specific singing you want? You want to sing movie song? You want to sing classical?
I want to sing Carnatic.
Carnatic music. Okay, Monica wants to sing Carnatic music together. Somebody can join. Yeah, I think Ratnesh is requesting little slow so he can put it on the chat. Yeah.
Learning anything too.
Yeah, I want to join Carnatic music with Monica.
Who's that?
Nalini.
Nalini. Okay, Nalini and Monica can come together. Yeah, I'm also making
Yes,
note. You also make notes for yourself that you can call up each other, fix up the time, and sing together.
For me,
Anybody
I
wants to
would
be
like
joined?
everyone to like run stalls so that we can visit them and then we'll have experience of running our own stall virtually.
Who is that? Tell your name, dear.
Srishti.
Oh, Shishi was talking about some more stall. Kanchana auntie was also asking me what stall. Can you tell little more? Then the group gets it. What is in your mind?
Oh, okay. Like you could like ask everyone what stalls they want, and then if someone is doing those things, then you can like set up stalls for them, and everyone can visit those stalls like on Zoom, like Friday Multiplex.
Like Friday Multiplex. So what I'm getting Shishti is saying is that if somebody is doing something, like for example, if I'm doing painting, I can say I'm doing painting at 2 o'clock today. I can put it my Zoom on and people can join me. Is that what Shishti is saying?
Shrishti, is it Took Market?
Yes. Sort of.
Anybody wants to
Okay,
do
so
join
I
with
think
me?
some of you have some idea. Wait. Some of you have idea about, I think you're using the terms Tuk Market, stalls.
Yeah.
Shishti, would you
Can
like
I join
to?
Carnatic music?
Yes, definitely put up a note. Nalini and Monica are into wanting to you come together, you fix up the time and you can sing together. Meanwhile, I think Anna is facilitate speaking games with oh, interesting. Anna, would you like to just organize it? Don't wait for Friday Multiplex. Don't wait for clubs. Just go ahead and announce. Like I think Meenal announced and Kabir asked for it. I want to play chess game and announce it in Slack. Slack is a place where I'm hoping, assuming most of us are reading. Yeah,
No,
put it up. Let our Slack be full of action, like our chat window is full of action right now. Yes, Divya wants to do in chess. Yes.
Please, can I?
Yes. Come again.
I
Yes.
wanted to say my mic was not working.
Okay. Now I can listen to you. I can hear you.
Now it's working. But I wanted to tell you that can we tell our future and our story of that, whatever we want to do, the whole story, can we tell?
Yes, there is a reading club. You can connect with Achalesh, or you don't need to wait for the reading club. You can just say, I want to tell a story. Can some people call me and then you tell the stories together?
I am already here.
Yes, Shrishti, interesting. Yes, Friday Multiplex every day. Yes, those stalls. Let's go ahead and then do that. Don't need to wait for Leela auntie to organize. You announce it and you go ahead and put it up. Even if one or two people comes, I think group is going on. Yeah. Bhaval wants to make.
Here.
I'm assuming just 1 minute. Krishan is saying somebody saying something.
I am already here now.
Yes.
Klech is over here.
Story making.
Yes, you can. Yeah, you can connect with who said story making right now. You can connect with that.
Drawing and piano.
Advai is saying drawing and piano. Lok is saying, okay, yes, I'm assuming while Ratnesh is also making the notes, you guys are also making notes for your.
Let's join. I want to join the reading club. Can I join?
Who is that?
Can I? Anika, it was me.
Anika, which club you want to join?
Reading club.
Reading club. Yes, you connect. Yes, reading club. Achlesh, can you tell when does the reading club happen? Yes.
Can I join drawing with Trisha?
Yes, you don't need to take my permission. You need to connect with Trisha. There is no constraint. There is no for anything. There is all connection. We all are connecting with each
Aditi,
other.
I want to.
Don't have only
I
one
am Avani here. I want to start story making session.
Yes, story making session. Yes, announce it. People will join. Srihari, you want to play video games together? Yes, that's an interesting idea. Or you want to make video games? You can put it up. Nidhi and Naomi wants to sing Western song. Is that what I am getting?
Can you send the link of reading club if they're joining it now?
Everything is in Slack. Yeah, reading club is there. Devya, you can join Devya. I think you, yes, join football club, or you can want to connect with people who are playing football like Drupad, Yashas, Devin, and Shaunak, Shadhak. They are already part of
Anna
football
here.
club.
I would like to join dogs and animals.
Shrishti, Smriti, somebody wants to join you with animals. Chandu uncle is there who can also guide you, help you, support you. He has also put up that at 7 o'clock, go out, watch an insect, come back, talk about it. Yeah?
Researching.
Yes. Yeah, you can do with him. Shaunak 3D drawings you want to do with others. Yes?
Start. Yeah.
Yeah, so you announce it, put it up in the chat window. Sorry. Put it in Slack that I want to do this, fix up the time, connect with people, people will join you. Naomi and Shrishti, both of you are already there, two as a team. Put it up in Slack, organize it, and invite more people. Yes, yeah. Look at the amount of connection happening in chat window, excitement happening. Let's keep this excitement alive throughout the week. Let's connect. Let's do together. Let's share with others. Let's teach. Let's learn from others, and that's what is community all about. Yeah, I'm not reading many of the things which are there. Ratnesh, how do you want me to do it? I'm also assuming all of you are also reading the chat window and making a note. Whom do you want to connect on what? I can see some on coding, some on drawing, some on Harry Potter, some on French music, some on maths.
White and red, black.
Dogs and animals, chess, gardening, gymnastic.
Wait a sec.
And Minecraft.
Yeah.
I think I also saw sketching. Somebody wrote sketching also. Avni is quite interested in story. So you can come together, make stories, write stories, create stories, share in Slack, different stories.
Yes.
Achalesh is in Scratch. Hey, there I can see a lot of Minecraft. Divya, Krishang, Om. Yeah, you guys can come together and co-create. Connect with each other. Yusra wrote sketching. Yes. And Nidhi is also in drawing. Somebody else also wrote drawing earlier.
Ratnesh, my name is not on drawing.
Then Ratnesh add Smriti
What
also
is
in drawing.
Minecraft?
Can someone tell what is Minecraft?
Minecraft.
It's a video game. It's a video game.
But tell what you do in that video game.
It's like blocks. You have to mine and stuff. You have to...
Honestly, I have no idea.
And you have to build with the blocks to survive from monsters.
Yeah.
Okay.
I usually play creative because I hate the monsters.
Thank you.
If you want the monsters.
What I know in Minecraft, you can also make your own homes, hiding places. There's so many things. People have done it in Minecraft.
Make hiding places and play hide and seek.
Shaunak's name in drawing, Ratnesh. Apps. Anybody interested in apps? Divya is in apps.
I want to join Minecraft.
Yes, Avni.
Minecraft costs money.
Is there free version also of Minecraft to begin with?
Yeah, but it's only on Android.
And there is a trial version.
Trial version.
There is a free version of Minecraft called Minetest, which is as good as Minecraft.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Avni, you got the idea?
That's an awesome
The Minecraft we have to buy it for something like 500 rupees. Yeah. And Minecraft is the
Yes, sorry, my phone was ringing.
What is the free version of Minecraft called?
Minetest. Minetest.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, Shriyari is saying FIFA Mobile. Shriyari, what does that mean? Means I didn't understand if somebody else understood.
That's also a video game. That's video game. I like also playing, enjoying most. I like football and video games.
Yes, so
that's something both connecting.
Yes, you can connect. There is a video game on football also. I remember Drupad used to play. Drupad, you want to share about that video game?
What?
There is one video game on football, no?
FIFA Mobile.
Drupad, it's Core Hero. Which game are you talking about?
There's something football.
FIFA Mobile. What game you play?
I don't play any games. I don't have any games on my phone.
No. Alia used to play.
At least you used to play something.
Yes.
You used to play Score Hero. It's that.
See, somebody's reminding you. Is this Skanda reminding Drupad?
Yes. That does not sound like Skanda.
Who is that?
Yash's auntie.
Yashas. Yes, Yashas.
I was playing Talking Tom in that I can play football also.
Okay,
In 2 teams also I can play.
Video games?
Mobile and Peasant Score Hero are football game. Okay, Shloka has put some video games which are related to football. Okay, I think we have a good big list. And we can make it very, 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 very big list by connecting with each other, by making this lockdown alive for us, by being with each other through different ways, as some of you have put up, Google Meet, phone, Skype, different things. Yes, Parinita. Now,
Antati, can
Smriti
I
wants
just share?
Yes, Leela, go ahead.
Yeah, for coding and apps and Scratch people who all are loving this time, we are exploring on Scratch Microbit in programming club. So you can all join there.
Okay, so there's already a club going on. You can. Some of you are into music, like Skanda is in music production. Some of you are music singing. You can just jam together, come together, just create the music and then see how it goes for you. Either you can come in music club or you can put it in different. You can create your own smaller groups, and then you can. Yes, Divya, which site are you talking about? Are you talking about website? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Somebody's saying something.
Hello.
Yes. Wait. Somebody else is speaking. Is it?
Story writing, can you put me in?
Is this Smriti?
Yes.
Okay. Ratnesh, can you put it Smriti in story writing? Yeah. Now somebody else is saying.
Yeah, this is Naomi.
Hi, Naomi.
I would like to exclude myself from the stalls.
Okay.
And Shrishti can take it forward, no problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yep.
Yeah,
yeah.
sure.
Somebody else can join Shrishti, or Shrishti can move ahead by herself. More people will join you. Like we have a big list in Harry Potter, and dogs and animals, drawing.
Shaunak here.
Yeah, Shaunak.
I want to go to the stalls.
Okay, so you ask Smriti, Shrishti to organize stalls for you. Devya and Om are in origami. Yes. Naomi, what did you ask Slack for? Shrishti wants Tuk Market. Yes, Shrishti, go ahead and introduce the Tuk Market. Maybe you can connect with Leela if it is required
1 minute.
to be done on Friday, or when, or Leela, and I think Preeti auntie is working on Fridays if you want that to be introduced. That's an interesting concept of Tuk Market. Let's introduce this in our community.
Me and Naomi can introduce.
I want to go to Harry Potter.
Yes.
Yeah, me also.
I'll join Shrishti for Tuk Market.
Okay.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Let's create a Tuk Market in the community. Yeah, some of you, it might be a new term. I think you can introduce this term to them.
Add Naomi also for Tuk Market.
Ratnesh, have you? Yes, Shrishti, Naomi.
What is a Tuk Market?
Did introduce it?
Tuk Market is a market with currency called Tuks. So people sell things and all via online.
You
to
sell
each other.
things like virtually. Like if you want like the origami model, the person who's running the stall will like sell it, and then they'll send a picture of it to you, and then you pay some tuks to them, and then they can even like show you how they made it and all. And you can set up your own stalls too.
Yeah, you can also you can decide how do you want the tuk to go ahead. Is that
Okay,
is
me
that
too
what,
in
Shrishti?
Tuk Market.
Tux is so how we were running it in a WhatsApp group was Tux was in a chat box. So everyone had like a set amount of 50,000 Tux, whatever, and they would add like 20,000 or 100 from their account to another person's account for that whatever they were buying. So
Can I join Tuk Market?
Can I also join Tuk Market?
Yeah.
Wait, Ratnesh?
Can I also join Tuk Market?
Ratnesh has a thought on something. Ratnesh, please share. Okay, Mishti's name in story making. Om, Divya in Harry Potter. Divya in Scratch programming. Priyanka on chess.
I want to be in Tuk Market.
Yeah, there are lots.
Put Arham into origami.
Okay, so can you hear me?
Yeah.
So many of you are asking that can my name be put here? Can my name be put there? Can I join this person? So please realize this little time is only to help you think that you can connect with anybody on anything. We are not giving anybody any permission. You don't need anybody's permission. You only need their phone number or direct Slack message to each other and saying, hey, you showed interest in this. I also want to do this. When can we meet? Fix a time, call each other and do it together. So even if your name is not there anywhere, it just doesn't matter. What matters is you should know who wants to do what and connect with them. So I might have missed many names. You guys were going too fast. You are like a bullet train. I am like a chuk chuk gadi. So I was going very slow. So Don't worry. You connect with whoever you think you want to connect. I will also try to add more names in this from the chat messages later on.
That was a good input, Ratnesh, that we don't need to ask anyone's permission. Me right now in the opening circle, only opening up to you that yes, this is possible. There's a week ahead, month ahead, year ahead, life ahead to connect with each other. Yes, somebody's saying something.
Auntie, so basically I connected with Minal auntie for chess. Yes, yesterday, and I connected with Adve, Rajiv uncle, people like that for what? For my interest.
Beautiful.
So I got a very good response from them.
You're enjoying. Good. Yes, let's do it more. Maybe you can share on Slack how are you connecting, so some of us may get the idea that, oh, I can do this way also. I don't need to wait only for my parents or my friends or my siblings to learn with me. I can learn from different people. So yes, Achalesh, that's nice that you shared even now. Share in the...
I did the calls by Slack call. You can call by Slack also.
Slack also, yes. You can do the Slack calls also, and you can learn from each other. You can teach each other. You can just be together and do. Like for example, if somebody's saying, I'm playing with the Lego right now, will someone like to join me? And someone can join you immediately, and then you can exchange notes. I remember some of the time Achalesh and Aparna were writing, today I'm planning to do this, now I'm doing this. So that spreads the energy, that sharing of energy, that yes, see, I'm doing, you want to join me, come, be together. Yeah. So Naomi is also talking a little more about Tuk. Yes, let's have this concept going on. Keep it alive. And also, I think some of you are already active, but some of you are maybe either are waiting or not active for whatever reason. It will be nice that if you're responding, if you're acknowledging what's different things are happening on the Slack, so then other people get the idea. Remember, when you are one-to-one with each other, just your face expression is enough to know what others are thinking, doing. But in a place like Slack and virtual world, I think it's important that we respond. Like all of you are so much right now involved, most of you, in putting them in the chat, sharing your thoughts, participating. If we can keep the same energy alive in Slack, then other people are also getting involved. Otherwise, some people have shared that they're feeling that, okay, you know, others are not responding, what's happening, and all those kind of things. Let's take care of each other. Let's participate. Let's contribute. Bhaval has already put it up. Krishna, I think it's Krishang is doing origami model. If anybody wants to join, please do it. Yeah, Bhaval, if you can, yes, you can do it through. How are you planning to connect? Through phone or to WhatsApp call or through Slack call or through Zoom? You can share that details also, so that people who wants to do origami can join with you immediately after. Yes, Nalini is already there in the origami.
I think Om raised his hand.
Yes.
I think Om raised his hand, so yeah.
Yeah. Shrishti is excited with the so many options. Yes, I'm also excited with so many opportunities, so many things many of us are doing. It's just that we need to bring it together. Yusra is already talking about her thoughts on Harry Potter. Okay, so Ratnesh, can I now share my screen? Have you saved the whiteboard? I've taken the screenshot also. Okay, I'm back to my screenshot. Sorry, the presentation. Okay, so today we are not going into chill pill grill room, but if any one of you have the need just to talk about it, need a support or want to grill from the facilitators, we are available 2:30 to 4 during connect time. If you just need to have anything, there are parents you can connect with anybody and understand, talk. There are other children you can contact and understand. If you need any thought, if you want to share some ideas, whatever you want to do. Yeah, so let's connect. Let's whether for chilling or pilling or grilling, whichever way you want. Okay, there is a small possibility cup pitara, different things which you can do it at your home. Some ideas are there. This I will put it on Slack also. If some of you wants to do it, you can do that. If you are doing, share it on Slack and inspire others also. There are different clubs happening. These are just some of the clubs which are already happening. If you want to have more clubs, connect with Leela. If you don't want club, but then just want coordination, collaboration with others, do it. Go ahead and then do it. So announcements for this week is the collaboration, connection. Let's connect. Okay. If parents have any doubt regarding planning or the whole session, some of you have just joined, stay after this announcement and I can help you, chit chat with you, clarify your doubts. And Friday is the multiplex, 11 to 12, 12 to 1. There are different sessions happening. Leela will be putting it up in announcement. Closing circle is on Saturday, 11 to 12. Again, we all come together like we came together today. On Monday, beginning, we close it with the reflection. And some of you are still in the flow of connecting with each other. So right now, I'm not closing the session. Go ahead and then connect, collaborate, chit chat. The Zoom is on, chat is on, but officially we can close the session with the bye bye, but not bye bye, just bye bye. But if you were an animal, which one you would be? Put that in chat window, and then if you want, you can log out. If you want to still connect, like I think Bhaval, Mishti, already doing, you can do that and continue. Also want to share, some of you are still there, that there's a lot more happening in daily diet. People are putting up daily different small things. Vijay uncle, Nalini auntie, Nandini, Naomi, they're putting little small things on the daily diet. See if you want to take part in that. If you're doing something, respond to them in chat window so they get the feedback, they get the connection that yes, somebody is there with them.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Which animal you are?
Bye.
Maybe you can make a sound of that animal, whichever animal you want to be.
I'm making the sound of a human right now because I want to be a human itself.
Hey, you are also an animal. Yeah.
Me too.
Me too.
I'm a whale, so I don't know.
Somebody wanted. Yeah.
Can someone help me?
Can someone help me find my name in Wales? Find my sound in Wales? Because I can't
Find your
sound in Wales.
Sent my email for origami session.
This is yours. Where have you put
I want to be the lion who can breathe fire.
Bye.
Do that right now, Avni. Fire. Take it out from your mouth.
I'm a whale. I mean, I'm a human. La 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 la.
I have sent it.
Timber.
Now,
Bye.
at gmail.com.
Goodbye.
I want to be a